There's a little cowboy with a big old hat, riding to the town just like that. Boots that shine and a grin so wide, he's got a heart of gold a king can't hide. A little cowboy with a big hat, his dreams are as tall as where he's at. Roping the stars, chasing the sun, he's small in size, but his spirit's never outdone. He may be young, but his tales are tall, about cattle drives and rodeo brawls. With a yippee-ki-yay and a yee-haw too, there's no telling what he's gonna do. A little cowboy with a big hat, his dreams are as tall as where he's at. Roping the stars, chasing the sun, he's small in size, but his spirit's never outdone. In the saddle, he's the king of the herd. His laughter's a melody pure and unheard. No mountains too high, no rivers too wide. With his big hat on, he's got nothing to hide. At the end of the day, when the work is done, he watches the horizon where he's won. His stories will grow just like his fame. A little cowboy with a big name. A little cowboy with a big hat, his dreams are as tall as where he's at. Roping the stars, chasing the sun, he's small in size, but his spirit's never outdone. From dawn to dusk, he's on the move. With every hoofbeat, he's got something to prove. Through dust and dirt, he rides with zest. For a little cowboy, he's the best. He's got a lasso that spins so fast, catching dreams that are meant to last. In the glow of the campfire light, he's the hero in the night. With tales of bravery far and wide, he's a little cowboy, our source of pride. Through storms and calm, he stands so tall. For a little cowboy, he's got it all. He's the talk of the town, the legend grows. With every step, his confidence shows. A little cowboy with courage so vast, in the world of giants, he's unsurpassed. A little cowboy with a big hat, his dreams are as tall as where he's at. Roping the stars, chasing the sun, he's small in size, but his spirit's never outdone. So tip your hat to the brave and small. For the little cowboy, he stands tall. With his big hat and his cowboy strut, he's living his dream, no ifs or buts.